Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Trader, and today we are going to do our Q&A and comment session number 2. So we had stopped in this video, right? In this video with the comments up to Sokat Mansoori. So till here we had Sokat Mansoori. So till here we had completed our comments. So today let's go with WBBSC Online Math Education's comment. So why won't you show us your office and your back-end team? We would like to see. Thanks. Yes, definitely I'll be showing you my office, my trading setup, my studio, and I'll explain you about my back-end team and my traders who works for me, and also I'll be showing you my website and the courses which we have and the new things which are going to be added, definitely, and how things work. I'll make a separate video on this based on the demand. So which mobile brand using to do daily trading? Okay, so I use OnePlus 6, which is one of the fastest phone which I saw in the market, and the best rate, and it's the fastest phone with 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage. So in intraday, what happens is your mobile also matters. When if you're trading in mobile or in a laptop, it should be a little faster, quick. There should not be lag when you switch between apps, and it should be very smooth without any lags, the charts. So that's the reason I use this mobile. And first of all, I love mobile. I have a lot of collections of my mobile. I still have my old phones which I keep changing every 6 months or 1 year. So when a new phone comes, I keep buying, but for now I am very happy with this OnePlus 6 phone. So the next question is from Prashant. He says, sir, you are a real trader. I am watching your videos from very long time. I learn many things from your videos. My question is how to build up confidence like you trading. I thought this is very important. Please answer. Thanks again. First of all, thank you so much, Prashant. And yes, confidence is very, very important. That is how you differentiate yourself from other traders. If you see a lot of traders in the stock market who are successful are about this 40 and 50 years old, or maybe there are a few exceptional cases who are about 30. The reason is because they are confident, and the reason why they are confident is because of their experience in trading, right? So how to build this confidence in a very young age is the question, right? So what I did, the technique what I did few years back is that I spent almost 1 year just by looking and observing the market for more time. So I sat around 2 to 3 hours per day just to observe the market, how things work, where it moves, where it doesn't move, and how things reverse, how things move, what are the fluctuations. These are the analysis which I did for almost 1 year without putting 1 rupee in the market. That is why I stress to beginners saying that do paper trading and virtual trading. You get a lot of answers. Your own experience will give you answers without losing money. It's like an education, spending a time. I spent 1 year of time to research. After my big losses, I did 1 year of research. That gave me that confidence and experience to come back to the market. And also apart from that, understanding strategies and a lot of ideas will give you more confidence. The more strategies and more ideas you have, when you look into the graphs, when you look into the stock, you will get some idea saying that now I'll use this idea, now I'll use it. So it's a prediction. So based on this predictions, it will work out based on your past experience. So try to, if you're spending half an hour per day, try to spend 1 hour or 1.5 hours. That is how you can grow more faster. It depends upon you how much time you give. People who give 5-6 hours will be super human after 6 months. I'm just kidding, but I'm saying this is the technique. Spend more time. That is when we can reach that level. And next, Amar says, truly you are a smart trader. Thank you so much, buddy. We like all this. And Akshay says, thank you, smart trader, for these videos, highly appreciated. Thank you so much, Akshay. Next, make money in stock market looks so easy as per your daily videos. I want to know how many years of experience do you have and initial losses. So definitely, as I told you, I will make a video of my life, because there is a lot of people asking do a live video. So first I didn't understand what they are trying to tell. Later when I asked, they said, sir, do a story about your life. So what happened, what are the ups and downs, challenges you faced, and so that a lot of people will get motivated. So definitely I will make this video. Maybe once I complete 50,000 subscribers, let me frame a proper video so that I can explain things for you guys, what happened through my life and how I became smart trader. So how this channel came up and what are the challenges and reason behind it. So definitely there's a big reason, and there's a lot of things to explain you, and there are a lot of things to get motivated. I will explain my experience, initial losses, what I did, what I didn't do, all the things I will explain in that video, so stay tuned. So next, Shri Priya says, hey, I just wanted to know one thing. During your initial trading days, have you made any big losses? Yes, definitely I've made a big losses. If so, how much? Definitely I will tell you in my upcoming video, so that even if we make losses initially, we will feel motivated. Please respond to this. Definitely, Shri Priya, I will definitely respond to this with a video about about a smart trader life journey into trading. When I say trading, only what happened in trading and why, the reason I am into YouTube. Everything you'll get to know in that particular video, where I will explain my losses and my struggles in that video. So Sarvesh says, I'm a regular watching your videos. Please reply below for safer trading. At what time we can enter a stock? What time can we enter a stock? See, there is no like question like what time we can enter stock. You can enter anytime when the market is open, but for safer trading, if you consider, if you go and see my live trading, which I will be uploading today around 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock, 9 p.m. in the night, you see I entered my second trade around 9:15. The first trade around 9:15. So that's a bit challenging. So the volatility will be very high, where the stocks will spike up and spike down. So you need to be very careful. You need to enter quick and exit quick in those terms. And if you keep waiting, the stock may go up, or some certain cases stock will go reverse also. But it's very volatile in the early market, because everyone will start putting the trades, and you won't even know which side the stock is moving. The stock which is in positive will go in negative also. But if you consider 10 o'clock, after 10 o'clock the market settles down. That is one single direction. The movements will reduce. When I say reduce, it won't completely reduce. There will be a movement, but you'll get a clear top gainers. You'll get a clear market positive direction or negative direction. A lot of clear picture. So that is a bit safe. That's why after 10 o'clock for beginners, it's very safe to trade. Considering the slow movements. So second, the question is exit time. Exit time is, what I tell you for beginners, is 0.3% safe trading. If you want to do safe trading, 0.3%. When I say 0.3%, it doesn't mean just like percent. I use cover order, I get 20 times. So that's the reason 0.3 makes a wonder for me. Stop loss percentage. I'm not going to advise, because if I advise, then beginners will start using that. I use stop loss based on my trading style. My trading style requires a stop loss which is around 1%, because the minimum stock moves up and down, and during this movement I don't want the stop loss to hit. If it is going against me, like other day when you saw how I booked 772 rupees loss, I booked partial loss, right? So I will know when to book a loss. And in a very, very bad day, when market falls or something bad happens on that stock and it goes reverse, it will definitely hit my stop loss. What do you mean by stop loss? Stopping my loss doesn't mean stopping my trade. If you put small percentage of stop loss, every trade will be stopped. Stop loss is just to stop your loss. I'm able to take up 1% of loss. Let it be 10 or 12% of my capital, but I'm ready to take up till then loss. That is my capacity or my trading style. So inside that, I'll be ready to take the advantages of up and down. That is why I hit a target of 0.3%, and that is the technique. So but most of them, when you go by theory, when you go by the studies, you have to go by risk and reward ratio. All these ratios will come into come into picture. So as a beginner, I would not suggest you with this, but it depends on your trading style. It's very difficult to explain, and you need to tweak your stop loss then and there, considering the stock movement. Which strategy is best for beginners? See, every strategy is best for beginners. You cannot say strategy A will fetch you money throughout the week or throughout the year. If you know some 20 strategy, when you look Monday, when you see the stock situation, you will feel, okay, as per this candle strategy, the stock is going to break here, so let me predict and buy it. Next, as per top gainer strategy, this may go up considering the market. So every day you need to keep switching your mind. For that, you need to train your brain with a lot of strategies. The more data you feed, the more things will process out, right? So one single strategy will not help you. Go and learn strategy. Go to my channel, watch all the strategies, learn from everybody possible, wherever you're getting. This is a time to invest. So go and invest on knowledge. So once you get knowledge, then you can start making money. And few more last questions. Eagerly waiting for your reply. Okay, this is the same survey, same question, like the question. And next one is Shrinu says, I'm a big fan of you, sir. My question is how to find supply and demand areas in stock. Please answer. Shrinu, definitely this is a topic which I'm not that sure to explain you how to find the exact area of supply and demand. I don't look into this while trading too much. But thank you so much for bringing this up. I will definitely check with my traders who are certified from these, famous places like exchanges, stock exchanges like Bombay Stock Exchanges. So they would have learned in their theory part. So definitely thank you so much for bringing it up. I will also go back to them and I'll also get educated on this. Maybe this may also help me, and this will definitely would help me. And if this helps me out, I will be doing a video in my trading, so that time I will explain you. So watch out for that. Okay, so last few more questions. Let's take some 3-4 questions. Can you make a video on beta concept? How much should be beta for buy or for short? Any trick behind beta? Okay, so as I told you, beta, if you want to know the definition, go to Google and type it. It's very easy. So how much should be the beta for to buy or short? See, according to me, we do intraday trading. So for intraday trading, we need whichever the stock we are choosing, it needs to have good movement up and down, right? So normally if market is already up, the stock will move up and down, all the stocks will move up and down. But when the market is below that 0.2% and it is moving very less, I need stocks which will move more higher. So beta is nothing but if beta is 1, it will move equal like market. If beta is 2, it will move double times than the market. That is the meaning of this beta, simple concept. So if beta is 1.5, if market goes 100, this will go 150. So that's one example. So I choose stocks which are more than 1, always considering, yes, the market is not moving much, but if market moves little bit, at least the stock will go more. So we need volatility in intraday trading. So that is why I check out beta just for my confirmation. Am I taking the right stock which may move later? It should not be like I took a stock and it didn't move the other day. Dr. Reddy, for that particular day, the stock didn't move properly. So that is the things which we need to check. So last 3 more questions. Hi bro, Shahif says, hi bro, I really appreciate your work and videos you upload. It gives a lot of motivation. My question is, which time frame in candle chart will give more clarity? Also, I never seen you using any indicators apart from super trend. See, candlestick, every candlestick has its own rules and lot of strategies behind it. 1 minute candles will help you, 3 minutes candle, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, and 30 and 1 hour and 1 day. These are things which I normally use more. So everything has its own strategies and own ideas behind it. So based on those strategies, only these charts will help you in that particular moment. And also I use super trend just for a confirmation, saying that yes, I have a chance to go still up or still down. And I use many other indicators, RSI, and many other indicators in other videos. So depends on the situations. I keep changing my indicators or candlesticks. I keep using that. It all based on your trading style. So let's take up last 2 more questions. Senthil Kumar says, dude, I enter at the same time. Thanks for sharing your knowledge. My first earnings rupees 600 after losing 12k. So thank you so much. It feels really good to look at the profits. When initially when I used to make a big losses, and finally after a lot of learnings I made a profit for almost 1 week. I was feeling like I was a king. My investment was around some 5,000 rupees those time, and I used to feel I was a king of everything, I was top of the world, very happy and all. It's a great feeling, and that is a start which gives it gives a push to you, saying that yes, we can make money in intraday trading. A lot of people do not believe because they cannot come back. So people who come back is the ones who will stay. That is the 10% people who leave, who say stock market is bad, are the 90% people. If you do your homework, nothing is bad. If this was bad, then nobody would have done intraday trading. If you see, maximum people do intraday trading because this is the place where you can make faster money, but the risk is high. For that, knowledge is where you can offset it. So really good. Do safe trading and see how you can learn from the mistakes which you did in the 12k loss, and so learn from it and try to recover your money. So the last question is from Rahul Singh Patel, saying that, sir, you are my mentor. I love the way you trade. Thank you so much, buddy. Thank you so much. And your respect and your love is what makes me going, and that is what motivates me to make more and more videos, and that is how we have grown till now. Please keep supporting like this. Trade safe, be smart, and trade safe. So hope you guys enjoyed this sessions. And next question, Shine Tube channel, definitely I'll be taking a question in the next video. Please do, so don't feel bad. So thank you so much for watching this video. We already crossed 15 minutes, so I'll try to end this up here. Please do hit that like and subscribe button by supporting, and there's a lot of disturbance in outside my house. So anyways, see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.